41 songs in 41 days, day number 7. I really enjoyed playing the piano the other day, so I'm going to play a bit of piano again, but I'm going to do it a little differently. Let's get cracking. Sorry about how this video probably looks. The lighting in here is absolutely awful, but it doesn't matter because this is what I'm doing today. I'm going to write a song on piano, but I'm actually going to use a kid's piano. This is my little boy's piano. It doesn't get used that much, but I wanted to change rooms, to be honest. I wanted to get out of that office, so let's see what I can do. Okay, I've had a really simple idea. Again, I'm not a piano player, so to be honest, I'm just going to my default knowledge. And again, it's really simple and it's in C. Again, I don't really need it to be anything complicated. I just want to write a song and it feels nice to noodle around doing things like this. I know there's better ways of playing these chords and I could work them out, but at the moment I just quite like just tinkering around and seeing if I can come up with something. So I'm just doing the 4 chords of pop. There's nothing wrong with using something that works. So C major, G major, A minor to F, and then the second time C major, G major to F. It's the 4 chords, so it's really nice to go to the minor, F minor, and that leads you back to the beginning. I can do some things wrong sometimes. I can. Oh, how about that? I can do some things wrong, sometimes. Oh, I quite like that. The melody's going to work with the chords. I think that's pretty good. Don't mind saying when I'm wrong. Just keep my mouth shut most of the time, 'cause I don't know what to say. Don't mind saying when I'm wrong. Keep my mouth shut and hold my tongue, 'cause I don't. So I've come up to just get it recorded because I think it'd be quite nice just to hear it all put together. Obviously I've written it on the kids piano, which was the whole idea behind this, but now I've brought it to this. I feel like it's just come alive and I've refined it a little bit, so it's got more of a in the right hand. Let's just get this recorded. I think this sounds really nice. Okay, so piano is recorded. Obviously I've quantized it because I'm not a piano player. I want it to sound as good as I can, but I've done the best job I can. I've done the vocals. I can get something's wrong sometimes. Quite simple little vocal. I want to see if I can put some instrumentation in there as well. Day 7's song is done. Maybe because I was playing on a kid's piano that was really small, I didn't go into it like overthinking anything. I just kind of sat down, had a bit of fun, noodled around and turned it into a song. Check the song out, it's on the screen now. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you tomorrow.